In this session of the 14th APPAREL conference, we will be discussing a different aspect and we'll reach out to the different geographical corner of the world, as we said in the opening session, like we visited London. In a minute, we'll be visiting United States, but next is India. We'll have an invaluable speaker from India. We'll be speaking about fiber for sustainable fashion. Mukul Agrawal, Head of Sustainability from Birla Cellulose Pulp and Fiber, will be speaking about a sustainable business strategy since they are setting this criteria and putting into practice in their company. Let's see what they have to say.
Welcome everyone to this session. I am Mukul Agrawal. I am the Chief Sustainability Officer for Birla Cellulose. Today I would like to share a few best practices that we follow on our business and also a range of fibers that are designed for sustainable fashion. First, our geographical footprint. We are one of the largest man-made cellulosic suppliers globally. We have 12 manufacturing sites spread over 6 countries, including India, Indonesia, Thailand, China, Canada, and Sweden. Our marketing offices and the ground services are located in India, Indonesia, Turkey, Bangladesh, Thailand, China, and USA. And our R&D centers are also spread out globally. Our sustainable business strategy focuses on people and the planet, and it has got 5 legs. The most important leg for us is responsible sourcing because we are a forest-based industry and forest is a very sensitive topic for everyone. So our focus is on sustainable forestry. We are FSC certified and PFC certified. We are dark green shirt and canopy. We also implement supplier code of conduct, which focuses on ethics, human rights, and also we ask our suppliers not to use hazardous chemicals which are restricted by ZDHC. The second most important leg for our strategy is responsible manufacturing. We follow closed loop manufacturing process at all our fiber sites. In 2018, we had taken a commitment to implement UBAT at all our sites, and this will be completed by 2022 with an investment of $170 million US. That means we will be recovering and recycling most of our chemicals, including solvents, to the extent of 90 to 95%. We also have ZDHC MMCF standards at all our sites. HIG FEM standard is implemented by all our sites, and the standards such as ISO 14000, 9000, 45000 are also implemented at all our sites. All our products have LCAs. The third important leg of our strategy is on the sustainable product basket and circular economy. So we want to continually grow the products like Levi Eco, Birla Axle, Birla Modal, Birla Sponge Shades, and Levi Reviva. All our products are certified for toxicity. They're all biodegradable and compostable, and all the sustainably enhanced products, they come with a unique tracer and a blockchain-based traceability technology. The fourth part of our strategy centers on the partnerships, because we believe that we can create a broader impact and bigger impact if we are working with our partners. We learn the best practices from Canopy, ZDHC, SAC, Textile Exchange, Changing Markets, Fashion for Good, and implement in our value chain. We also collaborate with our value chain and different best practices, also with the technology and R&D institutes. The fifth and very important for us as Aditya Birla Group believes that our growth is not complete without the growth of the communities where we operate. So our focus is on the socio-economic growth. We touch 9 million lives with healthcare educations. We have 56 schools and 3 universities imparting education to 46,500 children every year. We have 18 hospitals giving medical services to 1 million people every year, and also a strong program on women's empowerment. All our sites are SA 8000 certified or HIG FSLM or SMETA certified. On some of our key goals, as I said, that we want to reach EUBAT at all our sites by 2022, and this includes 70% reduction in sulfur emission and 70 to 65% reduction in COD and zinc. Also, we plan to reduce our water intensity by 50% by 2025, and we've already achieved a 40% reduction in this. The 90% reduction in the safety incident rates has already been achieved. It was targeted for 25, so we are bettering that target. And also to reduce the waste by 25%, this target is already achieved, and we are now moving ahead with a target of 50% reduction. On the best practices, some of the best practices include the forestry. Canopy ranks the man-made cellulosic fibers in the man-made cellulosic fiber industry for the sustainable wood sourcing practices and also for the development of next generation fibers. So Birla Cellulose is ranked globally #1 since last few years, and we have been improving our score in the hot button report every year. On the Higg index, FEM, we have implemented at all our sites, and we have third-party verified scores. Our scores have gradually improved from 77, and every year we are improving it, and currently it's a 92% average score. Birla Cellulose is the only carbon neutral MMCF producers globally. We have a harvesting and a plantation ratio of 3. Every plant we harvest, we plant 3 new trees. So because of that, our forest cover is growing, and our forests have continuous sequestration of carbon. And this sequestration of carbon is more than the scope 1, scope 2 emission of all our 12 sites put together. So that makes us carbon neutral. On the products, we have 2 very outstanding products on the ecological side with very outstanding credentials on the sustainability. Leva Eco is viscose and modal fiber, which comes with 100% sustainable forest. It comes with FSC certificates. It has a traceability of origin back to the forest. It comes with very low water consumption and a very low GHG consumption, close to 50 to 60% less in both these areas. Another product, Leva Reviva, which is a circular product. It's made with industrial cotton waste. Is a circular offering. It is RCS certified. It also has 80% of it is coming from wood, which is sourced from sustainable forest. The Leva Reviva also has a traceability across the value chain. On the partnerships with brands, we work with all the major brands globally, and to name a few very prominent ones: Inditex, Walmart, Bestsellers, Marks and Spencer, H&M, Gap, Next, Target, Carrefour. So there are many brand partners, and we are working on so many collaborative efforts on the sustainability and product development with our brand partners. On the partnerships and collaboration, as we said, that the collaboration and partnership is very important for us to make a bigger and broader impact. So we work with Canopy on the forestry to improve our forestry practices and also influence the other producers to implement forestry best practices. We work with Changing Markets for responsible viscose production and closed loop manufacturing. ZDHC, we work on the chemical management. Passion for Good, we are working very closely on so many different projects with brand partners and innovators. The idea is to scale the new innovations and commercialize the innovations for better sustainability of the entire value chain. Sustainable Apparel Coalition is very close working on the increasing the impact of the Higg tools on the fashion value chain. On the circular fashion partnership, we are working on the circular economy and reverse logistics of the waste so that we can collect the waste and recycle it into fresh, upscale it into the fresh fibers. On the Turkey market, we have a strong local presence since last 2 decades. This includes marketing and technical support, troubleshooting, also providing buyer-seller connect. And also we ensure that the material is available as per the requirement of all the business partners across the year. Also, we support on the certifications and onboarding and new product development. Our Turkey team is a very strong team headed by Shardul and Nazan and Selin. They are available for support on the ground as per the requirements. And we also have a very strong global team headed by Sucharu and with presence of all our team members in different countries to support the needs of our customers. Thank you, and that's all I wanted to share today with you all. And thanks for joining this session. Thank you so much.